Steve.
Yes, his name is
Name's
Steve. Name is Steve.
Hello. So yeah, I'm trying to get Evan some more subscribers because he only has one. So make sure to always like and subscribe and share the videos. Okay,
Yeah.
So today we're gonna draw Spongebob.
The cringy one.
Okay, so there's his face and there's his eyes. So yeah, sadly Evan only has one subscriber. Hopefully he gets a lot of views on this video. And yeah, if you don't even like his channel, just do him a solid and subscribe and tell your friends too so that he gets that golden YouTube play button. Yeah. Although I don't ever think he's gonna get it, but I believe in him. So just subscribe to this video, subscribe to his channel. His name's Slow Mo Kid. Make him popular. Because when I go on YouTube and I search up Slow Mo Kid, his channel doesn't even come up. So that obviously means that no one cares about his channel. So this guy's name is Bob.
It looks like a computer.
Yeah, Evan, that's the reason you never get any subscribers because you don't know what to do. You just play Roblox and shoot Nerf bullets into water. Yeah. So always leave comments on the video asking him what to do next. Say maybe, Evan, go outside and jump over a fence. Like that's something that you could do. Or say, Evan, make better videos so that maybe he could get more subscribers.
Quality videos?
Good quality videos.
Quality. Should I start the recording?
No.
Okay.
Yeah. So just really make sure.
Alright, everybody, if you don't like and subscribe right now, I will come to your house, then I will steal your computer.
Yeah.
I have every one of you viewers.
If you don't like and subscribe in the next 5 seconds, I will eat Baby Yoda.
It's basically a shade.
If you don't like and subscribe in the next 10 seconds, a Teletubby's gonna come to your house and eat your bacon. If you don't like and subscribe in the next 4 seconds, something bad's gonna happen. Like Peppa Pig's gonna come to your house with an ice lolly and she's gonna eat you.
Alright.
Just like and subscribe.
Alright, bye everyone.
Bye!
Stop the recording.